Hello, welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to a review of a coin from the British Antarctic territories. This is one of the coins that were bought out this year of the Heroic Age of Antarctic Exploration series. I believe there was 3 of them. This is the second one in the series, and this is the Scottish Expedition one. It's, as I said, it's from the British Antarctic territories, and it shows a £2 coin, and it is a £2 coin as the others are. Now on the back here we have the Queen's portrait, the date, the British Antarctic territories, and going around the outer side. The metal is bimetallic. The weight is 12 grams. The diameter is 28.4 millimeters. The year of issue is 2022. And it says, "We hereby confirm that this pack contains legal tender £2 proof like bimetallic coin and is one of a limited issue of 2022 worldwide." So this coin there's only 2022 of them being made. Now I don't know whether it's been made in total or whether it's in this particular collector's format. It is legal tender, so you would be able to spend it in the British Antarctic territories if you so wished. However, the obverse, as you've seen, is the Queen. On the reverse here we have, of course it's Scottish Expedition, so we have a Piper. We have a ship, probably the Scotia. I believe it's the Scotia as a ship. Yes, it is the Scotia. And you've got the bagpiper serenading a king penguin. Now, I heard Kelly talking about this coin, saying it was ideal for him because it's about Scotland. It's got a Scottish Piper, the Scotia as a ship, and also he's commonly or fondly referred to by Christina from Pocket Poet as Daddy, Penguin Daddy, I believe is the way what she calls him. He tends to find out before anybody else when the penguin coins have been released, which is good news if you know him, because he lets you in on the secret. This coin, it is very much to do, if I just bring that across here, can you see this particular photograph? That is what is represented here on the coin. The only thing that it hasn't got is it doesn't have the Scotia ship, which is there actually on that photograph. So, what do you think of this coin? Personally, I like it. I think it's a great coin, and it celebrates achievements of the Scottish nation and people who went up against the Antarctic, which is a fairly unforgiving place at the best of times, and overcame the difficulties that outcrop of land can give people. So I finished my review of the coin at this point, and I don't want to sort of repeat myself too often. What do you think of this coin? Would you have it in your collection? I'm very glad to have it in mine, as you probably have noticed. So, what I will say to you is, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, wherever you're buying them from, I hope you can get them at the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so I hope that you'll find something from my list of upcoming videos that you want to watch. I am trying to reach a target of 100 subs by Christmas in 2022. I'm sort of on, I think it's 88, or in the 3rd week in August when I'm recording this. So hopefully I can reach the target by Christmas, which is what I've set. So if you believe I deserve your subscription, please can you do so. It doesn't cost you anything. Also, if you enjoyed this video, could you also please give me a thumbs up, because both of those will help me get my videos put in front of people who've never seen them before through the YouTube algorithm. But until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again fairly shortly. From me, bye bye. Ta-da!